Welcome back to our basic science class. In the previous class, we discussed some of the situations where we use several objects as levers in our daily lives, right? Now, observe the pictures. Which method of drawing water is easier? Using a pulley, isn't it? Where do we apply force to lift the bucket in both cases? Yes, on the rope. Is the force applied in the same direction in both cases? No. If we lift the bucket using a pulley, we apply force in the downward direction. But without pulley, the force applied in the upward direction. How does the change in the direction of force help us to make the work easy? Yes, it is too difficult to lift water direct from the well. When a fixed pulley is used, there is no gain in the force to be applied, but it facilitates the work by changing the direction of the force applied. It is always easier to apply the effort to lift a load in the downward direction rather than in the upward direction. One can use one's own body weight while applying the effort in the downward direction. Can you say various situations in which work is made easier with the help of a pulley? Yes, pulley is used in cranes. To transport heavy objects from one point to another, khalasis use pulleys. While digging ponds or wells to bring up mud, stones, etc. Pulley is also used to lift vehicles from accident places, etc. Now we shall discuss the next heading, wheel and axle. The invention of the wheel was a big leap in the history of the progress of mankind. Today, we cannot even imagine a world without the wheels. How great is the service of wheels in the field of transportation and the transfer of goods? Look at the picture of a wheelbarrow. This wheel helps to move heavy loads. The wheel of the wheelbarrow turns on a rod that acts as an axis. This makes our work easier. See how a handcart is pulled. There is a rod connecting both the wheels here. This arrangement is the wheel and axle. Can you now see how the arrangement of wheel and axle helps the handcart to carry heavy loads? Yes, when an axle and a wheel are used together, it becomes a simple machine. The wheel and the axle can be considered as a lever. Other situations in which wheel and axles are used are in swing machine, motor, wheelbarrow, toy car, cycle, etc. The rod which is connecting with both wheels help to move the wheels simultaneously.
My dear children, here is an activity for you. Making use of low-cost materials available in your surroundings, try to make a toy cart having a wheel and axle arrangement.
Okay dears, it's the time to wind up our today's session. Today we discussed about the various situations in which work is made easier by a pulley, and about the wheel and axle arrangement, etc. Okay, children, see you in the next class. Bye.